It may not seem like it, but some habits and even some foods can harm your smile. Did you know that? Chewing the cap of a pen, drinking coffee, and brushing your teeth incorrectly can damage the teeth. But besides these issues, there are some other habits that you don't even know that can be very bad for your oral health. Because of that, it is important to take good care of your teeth, brushing and flossing regularly. See 5 common habits that are bad for your mouth. Drinking water and lemon. Water with some lemon is one of the best things to improve your immune system and your general health. However, the juice of citrus fruits weakens the enamel of teeth. To not suffer any damages, the best would be to drink the beverage in 2 gulps without holding it in your mouth for too long. Using a straw also helps reduce the damages. Brushing your teeth right after eating. Do you usually brush your teeth right after finishing your meals? Avoid doing that from now on. Waiting 20 to 30 minutes after a meal is better for your oral health. Did you know that after eating something acidic like an orange or a tomato, the enamel temporarily softens and gets more susceptible to abrasive wear? So if you brush your teeth and if you put too much strength in your brushing, you may even remove the enamel, causing tooth sensitivity. It gets worse with age, as the gums tend to recede and expose even more the roots of the teeth. Using a brush with hard bristles. It may seem like soft bristles can't clean your teeth properly, but the truth is that they are way better than the firm ones. Did you know that toothbrushes with hard bristles can cause injuries? So next time you change your toothbrush every 3 months, opt for soft bristles to keep your mouth clean. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Chew ice. It sounds like an uncommon thing, but many people have this habit. Have you ever chewed ice? Ice doesn't have any calories or sugar and is very refreshing during summer, but it also is hard and can cause cracks and fractures on the enamel and fillings. Besides that, the constant exposure to low temperatures may cause dentin hypersensitivity. If you like to chew ice, stop doing it. Drinking wine. You certainly know that wine contains substances that increase the good cholesterol and improve heart health. But when drank little by little, it can compromise teeth health in a similar way as water and lemon. So, you can always have some water too, or eat some cheese to neutralize the acid. Especially when drinking white wine, which has a higher pH and causes even bigger and faster damages. Red wine may also stain the teeth. So, do you have any of these habits? If you do any of these things and think it may be harming your smile, talk to a dentist to learn how to improve your oral health.